Good day, everyone. I am Bea Bastida from BES 1B. Today, I will be delivering a speech regarding the issue of the West Philippine Sea. As we all know, West Philippine Sea is rich in marine biodiversity, which is crucial for the livelihood of all Filipino people. It also holds a large amount of oils and natural gas in that area. The West Philippine Sea holds a lot of resources that can sustain the development of a country. That's why Chinese people is so eager to fight for that area. But Filipino forces won't let them abuse our natural source of livelihood. Recent news report about BFAR plane received radio challenges from Chinese Navy over Panatag Shoal. A plane of the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources or BFAR conducting a maritime patrol over Panatag Shoal in the West Philippine Sea received radio challenges from the Chinese Navy. Chinese Navy warship told BFAR plane to stay away from the area of Panatag Shoal, in which the BFAR plane responded that Chinese Navy is way beyond 200 nautical miles exclusive economic zone of the country. The plane also spotted the Chinese militia vessels roaming around the Panatag Shoal. 4 of their vessels were spotted in the North Shoal, and 3 China Coast Guard and their maritime vessels were spotted near the island. In order to protect and strengthen the external defense of the country, the Armed Forces of the Philippines assess the development and improvement of the facilities. We need to protect the nature that feeds us and give us sustainable life. We need to protect our sovereign rights in the West Philippine Sea, as well as the security of those individuals who fought hard just to prove that the West Philippine Sea belongs to the Philippines alone. That's all for today. Thank you.